Bristol is a lovely place to live, but the limescale that we get in our kettles isn't so lovely. However, there's a kind of easy way to do it. This stuff, citric acid, bung some in, boil the kettle, we'll wait a while. If that funny noise in the background is my pathetic cat meowing, like it's never been fed, it's been fed about 5 seconds ago. What did you do, Slowly? Oh, I watched the kettles boil. You can just about see all that limescale is lifting off the bottom there. Can you see it? It's all bubbling up. This is so much nicer than the stuff I used to use, which was very full of chemicals, and I never really trusted it. I never thought that I was rinsing it out enough, and I always thought it was poisonous. So there it goes, all fizzy fizzy. Wow, can you see that lift off? This is really satisfying actually. It's all breaking out. You can see that that is doing the job, can't you? That's just brilliant. This is, I think, £1.79 from Robert Dyer's. There it goes, it's all breaking up. I think we'll call that a job done. I'm just going to rinse that out with a bit of water. And goodbye limescale. Got lovely, nice tasting tea now. Shall we just see if it settles? You can see the stuff milling around. Sometimes it takes 2 goes, but this looks like it's been very... Oh, look at that! Totally clean. Brilliant stuff. Citric acid. It rocks. Bye.